Ano ang sabi? Today, pag-uusapan natin ang surprise offering ng Changan Motors. It looks great and different. And it is electrified. Ito po ang Nivo Hunter K50. Let's go! Kung di pa po kayo nagsasubscribe sa channel ko, please do consider subscribing and hit that like button. Maraming salamat po. Pag pinag-usapan ng mga pickup truck, it is always the giants in the game that your mind will recall. Not only here but also internationally. You got the Hilux, the Ranger, the D-Max, and the Triton ng Mitsubishi. Even in countries like Australia and New Zealand, these brands sell very well and neck to neck ang labanan nila. As time went by, pickup trucks di na sila binibili para pangharabas lang eh. Hindi na ganun, like carrying a big payload capacity, pero syempre nasa DNA pa rin nila yan. Pickup trucks yan eh. Pero as we all know, they have become lifestyle vehicles. And we don't blame them since this segment offers a lot of value for your money. Masarap din kasing alam mo yung sasakyan mo is something that you can use all day, malakas siya at reliable syempre. And it doesn't matter kung ano pang kalsada o terrain ng sasagupain mo. This vehicle can do the job for you without breaking a sweat. Pero eto si Changan, which owns the Nivo brand, which basically this is a Changan. Pero sa nakita ko, they give different brand names, I guess depending sa country kung saan nila minamarket. But here in the Philippines, it is named Nivo. Pangalan pa lang niya, futuristic na talagang ang dating. From the look alone, it has that signature front facial look ng Changan. But of course, with the added design accents or approach, you may say. I like it in a way na ginawa nila na futuristic ang look nito pero hindi nilayo sa kung ano dapat ang look ng isang pickup truck. Hindi siya yung may dating na sobrang kakaiba para pansinin. It still looks like a pickup truck that is ready for competition. At ang maganda dito, it is competing the same segment but offering something different at the same time. Itong headlights niya kakaiba din talaga. May pagka T-shape ang design, very fierce and futuristic. LED po yung mga ilaw niya. Ang ganda ng setup. Look oh. Itong front grille niya, which is something na design concept na ni Changan. Slanted ang design, may Nivo logo sa gitna. Before it was the Changan logo but this time Nivo logo na. Kita din yung front camera na nandyan. Malaki din ang front bumper na may fog lights. And being a pickup truck, dapat lang meron yan. Okay, I like the seamless design of the front grille, yung the way it blends or approaches itong kabuuan ng front fascia niya. Okay din naman kasi ibang approach ang ginagawa ng Changan Motors sa kanilang mga sasakyan. Sa side profile naman, pansin ko agad yung roof rails at dito din sa cab side niya, meron din siyang mahabang grab handle, malalaki ang door handles na chrome, malaki ang stepboard, pati na din itong mudguard na kapalibot sa kanya. So there's a touch of elegance and ruggedness at the same time. Pansin nyo din yung medyo pasubsob na tindig at mataas na likod nito. Pagpunta dito sa likod, kita na this is a vehicle from Changan. Malaki yung cab area niya, may platform po yan. Na pag binaba mo, may additional feature yan na stepboard para no problem ang pagsampa at pagbaba. Talagang napakagandang feature to have for a pickup truck. At ayon, meron siyang sports bar or utility bar. May cover na yung pinaka-cab niya. Ayan po, ang ganda. At ang astig din itong third brake light design accent na ginawa nila. Dito sa likod may outlet po dyan. Para sa mga occasions na kailangan mo ng matcha-charge na phone mo, laptop, mga kailangan mo kung magka-camping ka. And very useful. Now overall, I will say that it has a design and look that it wants to distinguish itself from the other pickup trucks. Pag nakita mo sa kalsada to, head turner siya. Magiging curious ka agad kung ano siya at kung ano ang kaya niyang i-offer being a pickup truck. Pagpasok naman sa interior, well, I will say na talagang impressive din. Being a pickup, you would normally not expect na komportable ang experience mo, pero this pickup changes that perception. Pagkita pa lang sa second row seating, kita na talagang medyo slanted ang seating position, maluwag ang legroom, may AC vents, charging ports, It's a combination of hard and soft materials you will see. May parts din na piano black accents, and I would say na talagang maninibago ka sa space at comfort level ng pickup na to. Sa flooring, wala siyang patag siya because wala naman siyang propeller drive. Pagpunta naman dito sa driver's seat sa harap, it is definitely one of the best looking dashboards I've seen lately. Pakiramdam mo dito sa harap, hindi ka na-overwhelm in a way na you feel you have space. Yung bang hindi agad-agad nasa harap mo yung malaking dashboard, something like that. Ang ganda ng design at ang layout niya. May layering design accent siya na pinapakita yung andun pa din yung pagka-driver centric ng design. This layering design concept na to, for me, it is unique. And I mean unique in a good way. May ibang texture siya, although kita yung hard materials na ginamit, it is okay kasi well balanced naman at premium pa rin ang appeal niya. There are buttons na nilagay dyan sa ibabaw ng AC vents para sa mga features or controls na madali mo na ma-access pag kailangan mo. Pero ito talaga ang centerpiece. The instrument panel that is one whole unit together with the infotainment system. Ayan, it is one long continuous display panel na for sure mas maganda pa to lalo na paggabi. Kita talaga ang effort na ginawa ng Changan Motors na pagandahin ang interior ng sasakyan na to. Dito sa center console, simple lang din, nothing much to see here, pero may wireless charging at cup holders, malapad ng armrest, driver passenger seat, or power adjust. Now, punta na tayo sa power plant ng pickup na to. Alam naman natin that this is not a diesel. In a way, it is a hybrid, pero in simple terms, it is electric, but without the worry of the need to charge o yung tinatawag nga nila na range anxiety. It is a plug-in hybrid, kaya may option ka na i-charge sa bahay, so it can run pure electric power alone. So, if you charge mo sa overnight, full charge siya, gagamitin mo siya kinabukasan, you have a mileage of around 180 kilometers on full charge electric power alone. Pagkatapos nun, dun palang gagan yung engine niya to charge the battery. So, ganun lang, gagamitin mo siya buong araw. Pag ubos na yung charge ng battery o pag paubos na, the engine comes alive to recharge the batteries to continue to power the electric motor to keep this pickup moving forward. Now, pag-usapan natin ng payload capacity, this pickup truck only can handle of less than around 500 kilo. No, kung isipin mo, tingin ko okay lang din naman eh. At expected ko na din yan since this is not a diesel. At kahit saan ka naman tumingin nowadays, sobrang bihira kang makakakita na ng pickup truck na fully loaded yung payload capacity niya sa likod. Most of the time, ala silang laman. Again, it has become a lifestyle vehicle. It has become a daily driver. At ang balik niyan without the lift springs and talagang comfortable ride ang balik sa'yo niyan. As we all know, this has an engine and an electric motor. So, engine niya is a 2-liter turbocharged Blue Core range extender. That's basically how they call it. Fuel tank capacity niya is 70 liters. So, alone on a full charge, full tank of gas, this can reach up to more than 1,000. Battery capacity niya is 31.18 kilowatts. Sa two-wheel drive, 174 ang kanyang horsepower, 320 Newton meters of torque. Sa four wheels naman, it's 268 horsepower and 417 Newton meters of torque. Well, makikita nyo diferensya ng power level niya because meron pong separate motor to drive the two wheels in the front. Towing capacity niya is 2.5 tons. Alam naman natin, mas mabigat ang inihila niya, mas magkukonsume po yan ng gas to keep on charging the batteries to run the electric motor. Mga features naman tayo, well, of course, marami po eh. Pero banggitin na natin yung mga ilan na talagang magandang banggitin. May AC vents, automatic defogging, dust filter, automatic LED headlights, electric height adjust, LED running lights, follow me home function, directional fog light, electronic cargo lock, cargo belt door assist, cargo door ladder, meron siyang anti-roll bar, cargo lighting, may door opening warning, central locking, remote start, 540-degree view camera, cruise control, lane departure warning. Lahat po yan naka-disc brakes, may ABS, EBD, lateral stability control, traction control system, brake assist, hill hold control, hill descent control, emergency brake warning system, trailer swing arm control, electronic stability control, meron siyang electronic parking braking, throttle control, rear parking sensors, speed sensing door locks, nice, collision auto unlock, tire pressure monitoring system. Sa pagtatapos, well, with the arrival of this pickup in the market, it is clear that the future has arrived on how the world of motoring will be in the long run. Okay to kasi we won't be relying too much on gas to power our car. I understand that there is the concern with the lifespan of the battery and its efficiency, but believe me that this technology is here to stay. It will only get better and better, and it's getting better really fast. And in return, its cost will go down as well. And as you can see, Changan is even offering an 8-year warranty on the battery. So if you're looking for a pickup truck that offers a different ownership experience, one that is cost effective and I will say earth friendly, you have a good option right here. Ito po ang Nivo Hunter K50. If you found some value on this video, please do consider subscribing and hit that like button. Maraming salamat po. Drive safe always. I'll see you on the next one.